Welcome to Shreshtha Trading Academy. Today, let's understand one of the most important parts of investing, fundamental analysis. This is the method used by smart investors to find the real value of a stock and decide whether it's worth buying or not. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis means checking a company's financial health, performance, and future growth potential before investing. It's like reading a company's report card before you decide to invest your money. Key factors in fundamental analysis. Let's look at the three main pillars. 1. Company analysis. Understand what the company does, its products, market share, and management quality. 2. Financial analysis. Study the company's revenue, profit, debt, and cash flow using its balance sheet, income statement, and ratio analysis. 3. Valuation. Finally, compare the company's current stock price with its intrinsic value, using ratios like PE, price to earnings, PB, price to book, and EPS, earnings per share. If the intrinsic value is higher than the market price, it could be a good buy opportunity. Why fundamental analysis matters? It helps investors identify strong, long-term growth companies. Avoid overvalued or weak businesses. Build wealth steadily over time rather than chasing short-term profits. For example, if you analyze Infosys or HDFC Bank, you'll see steady revenue growth, strong management, and consistent dividends. That's what makes them fundamentally strong stocks. So before buying any stock, don't just look at the price or chart, look at the company behind it. That's how successful investors like Warren Buffett make smart decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shreshtha Trading Academy for more such insights. Comment below if you want a video on technical analysis next.